Hi friends, welcome to Sri Sai IT Hub. In this video of Core Java Programming, we are going to discuss the following topic: Runtime Polymorphism in Java Inheritance. So what is this Runtime Polymorphism? So let us start with polymorphism. So polymorphism means existence of single method in multiple forms in a Java program. So here poly, which means many, morphism, which means forms. So here forms means methods. One method in multiple forms in Java program. So basically in Java program, polymorphism is done in two ways. First one, static polymorphism, which is done through method overloading and constructor overloading. And second one, dynamic polymorphism, which is achieved through method overloading in inheritance using upcasting polymorphism. And this dynamic polymorphism is also known as runtime polymorphism. So the definition of dynamic polymorphism goes like this: resolving method call with method definition during runtime or execution time based on object reference in inheritance with upcasting process. So let us try to demonstrate this method with a small program and clear understanding. Java runtime polymorphism example 1. Right. So first take comments at the beginning of the program. So take base class A void m1 method, and then we are printing a message here, class A m1 method. Next we are taking subclass B extends A. So here we are redefining m1 method. Okay, so redefining m1 method with same name and same signature, number of parameters, order of parameters, data type of parameters. So hence it is known as method overriding in inheritance. And we are printing a message here, class B m1 method overriding method. And next we are taking one more level of inheritance, class C extends B. And here also again we are redefining m1 method with same name, same signature, which makes up overriding in inheritance. And we are displaying a message here, class C m1 method again overriding method. So inheritance A to B, B to C. So technically this is a multi-level inheritance with method overriding. Okay, so this is multi-level inheritance with method overriding process. Right, so here m1 method in class A, m1 method in class B, m1 method in class C. All three methods have same name, same signature. So let us try to perform runtime polymorphism. So which method should be executed at what time is resolved at runtime or during execution time is known as runtime polymorphism through method overriding in inheritance using upcasting process. So now come to main class with main method. So save this program in our working directory. Right, now let us perform class A object reference variable small a. So this is a top level base class object reference variable, and in this we are storing new A. So object reference code of its own type, and we say class A object small a dot m1 method. So it will call class A M1 method. Right, come to the command prompt, go to the working directory where you have saved the program and compile the program. Java C, Java Runtime Polymorphism, example1.java, no error, and run it. So class A M1 method. So now let us perform upcasting process. So I'm creating an object of class B. So class B object reference code, which is a subclass of A, I'm storing in base class object reference variable. So this is called as upcasting. And when you say here a.m1, so when we compile the program, the compiler does not know which m1 method need to be executed, base class m1 method or subclass B m1 method. But during runtime, based on object reference code which is available in A object reference variable of class A, JVM understands that it should execute class B m1 method. So this resolution happens during execution time based on object reference code of the subclass available in base class object reference variable. Hence it is known as runtime polymorphism. So this is binding during execution time or runtime. Save the program, come to the command prompt, recompile, and then run it. So class B m1 method, m1 overriding method. So JVM understands that A contains class B object reference code. Hence it will execute m1 method from class B. So similarly, in base class A object reference variable small a, I'm creating an object of class C, which is a subclass, and then we are putting its reference code in base class reference variable A. And when we say a.m1, so here also it is resolved during execution time or runtime through upcasting process. So save this, recompile, and then run it. So class C m1 method, again overriding method. So here, which object reference code is available in base class reference variable is resolved when particular overwriting method is called during execution time. Hence this is known as runtime polymorphism or dynamic polymorphism or dynamic binding. So this is how runtime polymorphism is achieved in Java programming using method overriding process in inheritance using upcasting process. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, comment and share this video, and also subscribe to the YouTube channel Sri Sai IT Hub. Have a nice day.